Hello everyone, today our topic is how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for auto-spare business. So here our objective is that whenever I get new Facebook lead for my auto-spare business in Facebook lead ads, then I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet. So for that I will create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets. For creating this integration, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, we are going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use Google Sheets. So how I am going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how I can automatically create a record of all my Facebook leads of auto-spare business in Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and it is named as Facebook leads, and we have 3 columns here: full name, email and the phone number. And I want to add the lead details of my Facebook lead that I'm getting for my auto-spare business in this particular columns. So let's go back to Facebook. So here, this is my Facebook page for my auto-spare business and it is named as Tire Store. And also to promote my business, I'm running an ad campaign on my Facebook page through which I'm getting a lot of leads. So here my objective is that whenever I get a new Facebook lead for my auto-spare business, then I want to add these details of my Facebook leads automatically in my Google Sheet and I want to keep a record. So for this, I need to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet, and for that I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have 2 options: sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create a new workflow. For that, I'll click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for auto-spare business. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So for that, I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to select Home and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have 2 boxes, trigger and action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select this and I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and new lead instant will be my trigger event. Now I have to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on Connect. I will click on Add New Connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And I'm going to click on Continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I need to select my page and my lead generation form. So for this, let's go to Facebook. This is my Facebook page and it is named as Tire Store. And for the lead generation form, I'm going to open this menu and I will go to Meta Business Suite. Here I will go to All Tools, and in All Tools, I'm going to find this Instant Forms. So I will open this. And here we can see we have these 2 forms. First is Tire Store Contact Form and second one is Tire Store. So we are going to use this Tire Store Contact Form. So let me show you this. So we have these details here: full name, email and the phone number. So this is how my form look like. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to map these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. So first I have to select my page. So for that, I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. So here I'm going to search for my Facebook page, which is Tire Store. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to select my lead generation form. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this, we have these 2 forms that are connected with my Facebook page. So I'm going to use this Tire Store Contact Form. And here we have this important note that says, please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here it is waiting for Webhook response. Now to get this webhook response, what I need to do is that I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live and I have to make a sample submission. So here I'm going to use Meta for Developer to create a sample submission, and I'm making this sample submission just to show you how this works. So for that, let's go to Meta for Developer. Here I will go to my apps, and in this I will go to tools, and I will scroll down and I will find this lead ads RTU debug tool. So I'm going to open this. So we are going to use this tool, and in this we have these two tabs. First is page and second one is form. So I'm going to select my page here. So I will open this tab, and my page is of tire store. So I'm going to search for that. So this is my page. I'm going to select this, and my form is tire store contact form. Now what I need to do is I need to create a lead, and for that I'm going to click here on preview form button, and I'm going to fill dummy details in my form. So for that I'm going to click here on preview form button. So this is my form, and I have these details here: full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to fill dummy details here. So my full name will be new lead, email will be newlead@pabblytuts.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this will be my random phone number. So I'm going to click on next, and I will click on submit. So I have submitted my form and I have created this new lead. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received this new response. So the full name is new lead, email is newlead@pabblytuts.com, and we have this random phone number. So I got these details from my Facebook lead of my auto spare business. Now I want to use these lead details, and I want to add these lead details automatically in my Google Sheet to keep a record. So for that I will set up my actions tab, and for that I will open this tab, and here my action application will be Google Sheets. So I'm going to select this, and I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add new row will be my action event. Now I will connect Google Sheet with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection, and I will sign in with Google, and I will click on allow to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. And now I have to select my spreadsheet. So for this, let's go to Google Sheet, and this is my Google Sheet, and I am using this spreadsheet which is named as Facebook Leads. And we have these three columns: full name, email, and the phone number, and we are using sheet 1 here. Now I'm going to map all these details in Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and first I have to select my spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this tab, and here you will see all the spreadsheets that are connected with your Google Sheet account. So I'm going to use the spreadsheet of Facebook Leads. So I'm going to map this, and here we can see that all the details have changed according to my spreadsheet. So we are using this sheet 1, and we have these three details: full name, email, and the phone number. So I'm going to map these three details, and I'm going to use mapping here. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open the response of Facebook lead ads, and first I have to map the full name. So this is the full name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I will map the email address. So I'll click here. I'm going to open this response, and this is the email address. Now I will map the phone number. So this is the phone number. So I have filled all the details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this response. So this is a positive response, and I have updated my row in my Google Sheet. So I have added all these details automatically in my Google Sheet. Now to check this, let's go to Google Sheet. And here we can see I have just added this new row in my Google Sheet. So the full name is new lead, email is newlead@pabblytuts.com, and this is the random phone number. So I have added these new lead details of my auto spare business from Facebook lead ads automatically to Google Sheet. So let's check this in a real time. So I will go back to Meta for Developer. I will close this, and I will delete this lead, and I will click on preview form button again. And here I'm going to fill dummy details again. So my full name will be test user, email will be testuser@pabblytuts.com, and I will give a random phone number. So this will be the random phone number. Now I'm going to click on next. I will click on submit. So I have created this new lead again. Now I will directly go back to Google Sheet, and here we can see that I have automatically added this new row. So the full name is test user, email is testuser@pabblytuts.com, and this is the random phone number. So these are the same details of my new lead that I have just created in Facebook lead ads for my Autosphere business. So my integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheet is working successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this integration between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets such that whenever I'm getting a new Facebook lead for my Autosphere business in Facebook lead ads, then I'm adding those details of the lead automatically in my Google Sheet. And I'm keeping a record of all those leads. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my action, and my action application was Google Sheets, and my action event was add new row. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.